Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our 2 litre TDI Passat CC. So we've done quite a bit of prep on this one. One of the main things we've done is it's just had a brand new turbo. It just started to lose power, so we've put a new turbo on it. Again, with all our adverts, we'll put the full details and spec and history on the advert, but I believe there's a receipt for a clutch and flywheel, and we've got the receipt for a cam belt as well. So as you can see, it's got the 18-inch alloys, it's got the privacy glass as well, parking sensors, full-size alloy. And for the age and mileage, it's really well presented, I think. It's the Blue Motion, so it's a 6-speed version as well, and it's got the two-tone leather interior. So as with all our cars, it's HPI clear. It'll come with a warranty, and we can offer part exchange and finance as well. Mileage now is 107,512. Heated seats as well, and multifunction steering wheel. But as I say, we'll put all the spec on the advert. This is really just to give you an idea of how it looks in the flesh, as it were. As always, we do viewing by appointment only. So if you'd like to arrange a test drive, if you've got any questions, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.